Alright guys, so welcome to this tutorial. I'll be showing us on this tutorial how to distribute songs on digital platforms for free. Yeah, before now most of us know this platform 1RPM. In fact, they used to be the best, but we are not talking about 1RPM today, because even me, I was using 1RPM, but they changed their terms of service. I think they stepped into a kind of partnership, and they no longer offer free music distribution. They charge $12 annually. So today we are going to be looking at a new platform I discovered, and seriously, these guys are good, and they are reliable. They've been tested and trusted. So it's called freshtunes.com. freshtunes.com. They are good, they are reliable. So we just go ahead and sign into this account, right? So click on go, or you click on sign in at the top right. So just click on go, and then you sign in with your Google. You can sign in with your Facebook, but before then tick on that I accept box. So just go ahead and click on the Google icon here, then it takes us to Google. Just choose your Google account. Yeah, you just select the Google account, and then it will bring you to the dashboard, the interface. Okay, so before we go ahead with distributing songs, there are a few things I just want to explain here. First, we'll look at the plan. These guys also have pro or premium plan. So, but free plan is still okay. Just that you can only do one artist at a time on the free plan. Let's just compare vis-a-vis the pro plan. That's free plan vis-a-vis pro plan. Okay, so let's see, switch to. Alright, so we are here now. As you can see, this package by my left is free artist 1, maximum artist, and here no limit artist. So for the pro plan, I think they charge $100 per year, but we are not focusing on the pro. I'm just gonna take us tutorial on how to use the free, which is very good. You still get your result, you get just slight differences, the features and all of that. So you see 1 max artist, and then for the pro you have no limit, and then distribution outlet, you see distribution outlet all, also distribution outlet all, which is good. So support queue, if you are trying to get support, and then support here 10 hours, moderation queue, you join the queue, and then moderation here 10 hours. Upload time, you see up to 14 days upload time, depending on the store, right? That's like 2 weeks maximum. It's not like it will take 2 weeks, just 2 weeks maximum. And then here we have upload time 1 to 7 days. So all of those features there. Alright, so that is that, by the way. Alright, so the next thing we have to do is to update our profile. Very important. So you can what's it called now, so you can be able to go ahead with your distribution, right? So I want to change this name to let's see, Samson Elias. Alright, so I have something like this address. I'll just go ahead, put Abuja, Nigeria. And then for the postal code, I'll put 900107. That's my postal code, by the way. So just go ahead and click on save. Right, changes are saved. Alright, so changes are saved. Next thing we're gonna do now is to get our songs distributed, right? So I'll click on albums. Yeah, so as you can see, I don't have any song here, right? So we just click on new album. Attention, you are hereby covered and complete understand who responsible uploaded content and its accordance to. This is just more like a heads up or part of their policy or agreement, whatever. So click on OK and then drop file. So your audio file you're gonna be uploading here must be WAV format or any of this format listed here. So I'll just quickly show you how to convert your MP3 songs to this WAV format. And for those of us who already have it from the studio, it's possible they can give you from the studio like that. But if you don't have it, maybe you just have MP3 and then you don't know how to convert quickly, you can just, I'll show you sites where you can do that online. Just go on Google and convert MP3 to WAV. Okay, so I have it here. So you can use this cloud convert. I think I've used them. I've been using them. They are quite good and also reliable. Here you just click on select file. You select the file from your desktop and then you click on convert. You download it and then you come back to this place and upload your your song. So I'll just go ahead now. Now I have like 2 songs here, right? So let's say I want to do this song. Let's say I want to do Center Holy Fire. So I just click open and then wait for it to load, right? So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you do that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button, so when I upload subsequent videos you'll be able to see them and benefit from them. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and what's it called now, add the album title up here, album name. Just go send down, send down holy fire, and then I'll upload. Okay, so I have my artwork uploaded. Artist name Solomon Ayuba, Junior Christian Gospel. So I'll just go ahead and select Christian Gospel. You can select your generic there. Language is English, so English, and then scroll down. Artist, still go ahead, same name, Solomon Ayuba. Composer Solomon Ayuba, so I'll just place that there. Author Solomon Ayuba, language English. So we've got English explicit. No, it's not. If you want to add your lyrics, you can go ahead here and do that. So if you want to add more tracks, you can also go ahead to do that here. All countries here, I'm distributing to all countries, so select this all countries, and also to all digital platforms available here. These are iTunes, Spotify, blah 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 blah, they are all here. So click on save, then as soon as you click on save, okay, I guess okay, probably because I've uploaded this before, but as soon as you do, you click on save and then you click on complete, you are done. You just wait for like 2-3 days for your something to process, and then you definitely get a response from them. This works, it's very legit. Try, and then just let me know on the comment section when you eventually succeed on this. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.